everyone, welcome to my channel Pharma Vigyan by Shruti Gupta. We already discussed in Module 1 and Module 2 about the clinical research and phases of the clinical trial. Now in Module 3 we will discuss detail about Phase 1 and Phase 2. So let's take a recap on phases of clinical trial. First of all, we will just discuss what is clinical research. So basically, clinical research is the field of biomedical science that involves the drug development. And now the phases of clinical trial are phase 0, microdosing phase, phase 1, human pharmacology phase, phase 2, therapeutic exploratory phase, phase 3, therapeutic confirmatory phase, phase 4, post marketing surveillance. In module 2, we already discussed detail about phase 0, which is microdosing phase, also known as pre phase 1 trial. Now, phase 1, it is also known as human pharmacology phase. So what's the objective of phase 1? In phase 1 we assess the safety profile of the investigational product in the human body. What we assess here? Assessing the safety profile of investigational product in human body. Second, determines pharmacodynamic and pharmacokinetic of a compound. So second objective is in phase 1, determination of pharmacodynamic and pharmacokinetic parameters of compound. Okay. So what are the two objectives of human pharmacology phase? First, assessing the safety profile of investigational product in a human body, means how effective in terms of safety the investigational product when administered to the human body. Second objective is it determines the in this phase the determination of pharmacodynamic and pharmacokinetic parameters of compound observed. Pharmacodynamic in the sense ADME. We all know ADME: absorption, digestion, metabolism, excretion. Okay, these are the four parameters of pharmacodynamic. So now discuss about features. What are the features of human pharmacology phase? Number of patients participate in this trial is 20 to 100 healthy volunteers. In phase 0 also we take healthy humans, and phase 1 also healthy humans with a targeted disease or patient with targeted disease. Suppose if the research is on the diabetic diagnosis, so the patient suffering from diabetes can take a participate in phase 1. Then what's the time period for the phase 1? It's like several months for completion. Almost 1 month. Not almost 1 month, several months we can say. It may extend from 1 month. Later, how much percent of the drugs move to the next phase? Suppose in phase 0, 100% drug we are like taking, then 70% of the drug moves to the next phase, means to the phase 2. Approx 70% of drug moves to next phase, means phase 2. Okay. Next we discuss the stages of trial. Phase 1 trial. Okay, so first is SAD, second is MAD. SAD means single ascending dose. MAD means multiple ascending dose. These are the two stages of phase 1 trial. Okay, let's discuss phase 1, which is also known as human pharmacology phase. The objective of phase 1 are assessing the safety profile of the investigational product in a human body. Investigational product means a future upcoming drug. Determines the pharmacodynamic and pharmacokinetic parameters of the compound. Compound means investigational product. What are the pharmacodynamic and pharmacokinetic parameters of that investigational product we are assessing in phase 1. Now what's the features of phase 1 trial? Number of patients to participate in this is 20 to 100 healthy humans or patient with targeted disease. Time period, it may extend to several months. Approx 70% of the drug moves to the next phase, means 70% of drug passes in this trial and which may move to the phase 2. And next we are discussing about stages of the trial, which is SAD, single ascending dose, MAD, multiple ascending dose. This is all about the phase 1. And let's discuss about phase 2. Phase 2 is also known as therapeutic exploratory phase. Phase 2 is also known as therapeutic exploratory phase. So let's discuss the objective of phase 2. In phase 2, explores the efficacy and side effect of the investigational product. So in phase 2, we explore efficacy and side effect. Till now in the previous phases we were not talking about the side effects, but in this phase we also observe the side effects of investigational product. IP here in the sense investigational product. IP means investigational product. We all knows IP means Indian Pharmacopoeia, but here I am writing it investigational product as IP. Okay. Next, second objective of phase 2 is determine the dosage range with maximum benefit and minimum risk for the human body. We will determine like what will be the maximum dose we can give to the patient, which is having the maximum benefit and minimum risk. So determine the dosage range with maximum benefit and minimum risk in human body. Now, what are the features of phase 2 trial? Number of patients participate in phase 2 trials are 50 to 300. 50 to 300 patients. Time period for phase 2 is 2 years, several months to 2 years. Months to 2 years. Okay. Third, in phase 1, approximately 70% of the drug moves to the next phase. Now, from phase 2, approximately 33% of the drug moves to the next phase. Moves to the next phase. Next phase means phase 3. Now, types of phase 2, we already discussed in module 2. There are two types of phase 2 trials. Phase 2A, pilot clinical trial. Phase 2B, pivotal clinical trial. We will discuss more about the subtypes of the phase 2 trial in my module 4. So let's discuss again the phase 2 trial, which is also known as therapeutic exploratory phase. Objectives of phase 2 are explore the efficacy and side effect of the investigational product. Okay, so what is the effective part of the drug we will observe, and along with that we will also observe the side effect of the investigational product. Second objective is to determine the doses range, like what maximum dose we can administer to the patient, which will give us the maximum benefit and minimum risk in the human body. What are the features of phase 2? Number of patients participate in phase 2 are 50 to 300 patients. Here in phase 1, 20 to 100 volunteers are participating. Here in phase 2, 50 to 300 volunteers are participating. Okay, time period is here in phase 1, it's like several months, like from 1 week to several months, and here in phase 2 it's like several months to 2 years. And in phase 1, approximately 70% of the drugs moves to the next phase. In phase 2, approximately 30% of the drug moves to the next phase. Then subtypes of the phase 2 trials are phase 2A, which is also known as pilot clinical trial, phase 2B, which is also known as pivotal clinical trial. So this is all about, not all about, we are remaining with the half portion of the phase 2, which we will discuss in module 4. So phase 1 completely we already discussed here, and phase 2. So hope you like this video, and I would request you to please like, share and subscribe my channel, so that whenever I will upload the module 4 and later modules, you will get the notification first. Thank you.